Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change bio on Threads. Maybe you want to give your profile a fresh look with an updated bio. So today I'm going to show you how to change bio on Threads. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Threads application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. In this page, you will see this Edit Profile button. Simply tap on it to access your profile settings. Here, you will see your current bio. Simply tap on it. A text box will appear. And now, to change your bio, first delete your current bio, and after that, you can now type in your new bio text. You can get creative and express yourself in a few words. You can add emojis, hashtags, or anything else that represents you. Once you are happy with the new bio, tap on this check icon at the top right corner. Here, don't forget to tap on this Done option to save your changes. After that, you now have successfully changed your bio on your profile page on Threads. Now, your followers will see your updated bio whenever they look at your profile page. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change bio on Threads, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change bio on Threads, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.